Today in this video you will see many plants which are suitable for small planters, and I will be sharing with you some beautiful indoor plants, house plants which you can grow outdoors and indoors both. So the first one is spider plants, which is really very cute and fits into any small plant. These are all permanent and low maintenance plants, and also friends, you can grow pothos plants varieties in small planters. There are many varieties. This is neon pothos, this is marble queen pothos. These beautiful permanent plants fits into small planters. Next I have this peperomia plant that is also in a small planter. These are all low maintenance plants which you can grow with a single stem cutting. Look at this beautiful syngonium variety that is also in a small planter. These plants care tips are in my videos, so you can watch them also with your time. You can get more information about them. Plants also you can grow with single leaf cuttings. These are also shade loving plants, permanent plants, and also fits into small planters. This is another syngonium variety, pink syngonium, which is in a small planter. Here I put a small mother of thousands plant. Once it grow really well and big, I will do a video about it. And here I have a DIY planter and a philodendron variety. There are varieties of flame violets in small planters. This is a green one, and look at this one, very beautiful. Again another spider plant in a DIY planter. Beautiful leaves also we love keeping because they are very attractive in our gardens. Look at this nerve plant. And here also I have another syngonium in a small planter. So these are all low maintenance permanent plants. And let me to show you another plant, wandering Jew, in a small planter. About flowering plants which you can grow in small planters are these marigolds. You can grow them from stems and also from seeds. So this is a beautiful plant for a beginner. Do not go to overwater. That one thing you'll have to keep in mind. Next plant is this vinca plants which grows from stem cuttings. They also fits into small planters. And next are these are the senior plants. So they are also very easy to grow from stems and both from seeds as well. Varieties of snake plants also grows in small planters, so you can put these plants in small planters. They grow really very healthily and happily. These plants doesn't need watering also on regular basis, so these plants fits into small planters. Look at this variety. This is also really very attractive and beautiful. This is the variegated snake plant. So these are the collection that I have.